The charm of Indonesia's tropical rainforest. Indonesia's tropical rainforest is one of the most biodiverse places on the planet, boasting an incredibly rich and unique ecosystem. With its lush greenery, diverse wildlife, and stunning natural beauty, it's no wonder that Indonesia's rainforest has become a beloved destination for nature lovers and adventurers from all over the world. The tropical rainforest in Indonesia is home to a staggering array of plant and animal species, many of which cannot be found anywhere else in the world. From the majestic Sumatran tiger and the elusive orangutan, to the brightly colored birds and the unique flora, every corner of this forest is teeming with life. Exploring Indonesia's rainforest is an unforgettable experience that allows visitors to immerse themselves in the wonders of nature. Hiking through dense jungle trails, spotting rare and exotic creatures, and marveling at the breathtaking waterfalls and other natural wonders are just some of the activities that await those who venture into this unique ecosystem. In addition to its incredible biodiversity and natural beauty, Indonesia's rainforest also plays a crucial role in the global ecosystem. It is a vital carbon sink, helping to regulate the Earth's climate, and it provides important resources and livelihoods for local communities. Overall, the charm of Indonesia's tropical rainforest lies in its incredible natural beauty, unique biodiversity, and vital ecological role. It is truly a national treasure that must be protected and preserved for future generations to enjoy. Indonesia's tropical rainforest is also an important part of the country's cultural heritage. Indigenous communities have lived in and around the forest for centuries, developing rich traditions and practices that are deeply connected to the natural world. The forest has also been a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and musicians who have drawn on its beauty and mystique in their work. However, the rainforest in Indonesia is facing many threats, including deforestation, mining, and illegal logging. These activities not only destroy the natural habitat of many species, but also contribute to climate change and other environmental problems. Efforts are being made to protect and conserve Indonesia's rainforest, including the establishment of national parks and other protected areas, as well as sustainable forestry practices and ecotourism initiatives. However, more needs to be done to ensure that this unique and precious ecosystem can continue to thrive and provide benefits for generations to come. In conclusion, the charm of Indonesia's tropical rainforest lies in its incredible natural beauty, unique biodiversity, cultural significance, and vital ecological role. It is a treasure that must be protected and preserved, not only for the benefit of the Indonesian people, but also for the world as a whole.